Step 43, usable embryos. After 5 days of development of embryos, then you have got certain number of embryos which can be used for embryo transfer. These are called usable embryos or utilizable embryos. So these are the embryos you can transfer or freeze. All the embryos you cannot transfer or freeze are not usable embryos. This is very critical information for yourself and for your IVF, your fertility specialist. So if you have a high utilization rate, that means the quality of your eggs and sperm is good. If you have a poor utilization rate, the quality of embryo is also egg and sperm is poor. I will help you to understand how you can work out your utilization rate. Normally, in human reproduction, you produce a lot of eggs, so the lesser number of eggs mature, then lesser number of eggs get fertilized, and even smaller number of fertilized eggs or embryos become high grade, then even smaller number will get implanted. This is just normal. This is the nature's way of selecting healthiest embryos. Let us say if you had 10 eggs, then if you get 8 mature out of 10, and out of 8 mature, 6 fertilized, out of 6 fertilized embryos, if you have 2 high grade, that's considered normal utilization rate. Approximately 30% of utilization is a normal. If you get a lot of more embryos into high grade, let us say 50%, 60%, that's a very high utilization rate. That's excellent. That means that your egg quality and sperm quality is really good. If you have a low utilization, if you don't get any, or if you get let us say 1 out of 6, that's considered low utilization rate. There's something is not quite right with egg quality or sperm quality or IVF, your IVF protocol, or how the cycle went. This will help you to understand 4 big factors. Is there any issue with egg quality? Is there any issue with sperm quality? Is there any problem with the treatment protocol you used in that cycle? And the fourth is, of course, this role of chance. Just by chance, this wrong sperm fertilized the wrong egg, and you had a mismatch in this fertilization stage, and you had a poor quality embryo development. Essentially, in terms of implantation rate, is approximately 35% for high-grade embryos, and having a healthy baby out of each embryo, high-grade embryo, is approximately 25 to 30%. This is how you can analyze whether you are hitting critical milestones in embryo development and implantation. That's very important in analysis of your IVF treatment.